watching. Today is April 27th, 2020. We've been called by a customer that has a loaded tractor trailer, gross weight 80,000 pounds, is stuck. It's at a local landscaping company, so we are en route. We've been doing some drone footage for a friend out here, and we're on our way back. Me and Austin are in the pickup, and we're gonna meet Mike up there, my dad, in our 35-ton wrecker, and see if we can't get this guy out and get him on his way. So stay tuned, and we'll turn you back on when we get there. If he can pull up, he can back in there and come around and come back. Oh, you're good. Yeah, if you want to. That way I can pull it up in there. Turn around. All it does is grab these tow hooks, pull them out. Did he back on up once he got in there? Because surely he wasn't going to dump right the road back there.
That's way right there.
Oh, it's soupy way. He shouldn't have got past his front tires right there. All right, let's help him get turned around. I think he's got it. Which truck? Yeah. It's dirty right now. It needs a bath.
Come on now. That look like it just came off the showroom floor.
I've had it since September.
Really?
Yeah. I've been doing some drone footage for school out here.
Oh, okay.
I had to meet my guy over here, meet Dad over here. Where are you wanting to dump it at?
He needs to be right there.
So as we start pulling you out?
Once he get out, you can back and let it off right there.
Okay. All right. That's good. All right, Austin, I'm gonna grab another tow pin. Put on that front end, we'll run to 2 instead of just 1 tow pin, and put a rim sling in between it. All right, let me find out right quick. You'll get that green rim sling out of there. We'll get you out. Let him tighten up. You always want those hooks kept down. That way you're pulling into the throat of them. Because if not, you pull them out of that hook.
This is what this truck in neutral.
Yeah. Driver in it, I'll talk to him. Good.
I got my brakes on.
Okay. Get a little bit that way.
Here?
Yep. Straighten up. You straight drive or automatic?
Straight drive.
Put it in low gear.
Bro?
Yeah, just a little bit. Easy, easy. There you go. Other way. Run off on it. Yeah. Yeah, they'll normally slide through mud, look like they're locked up, but they're rolling. All right, so you want to move it? You want to move it over there and dump it?
No, no.
Or you want to dump it right here while we pull forward?
Dump over there.
No, we're gonna dump it here.
You want to go ahead and start dumping and let us pull forward and let you pull you out?
She doesn't want it there though.
Oh, she doesn't?
No, she wants it over there.
Oh, she does?
Yeah. That's why she told me not to go here no more after I got stuck.
Okay. So you can come forward right there. You're on gravel. All right, whoa.
Blue hook.
Blue hook. I'll get that. You grab a ticket book between the seats on this truck. Hey, hey, clutch. I got to turn the PTO back on that. I don't know if he's going to try to go up and go in that way. Well, he's going to back up. I can go out in the other entrance. All right. Let's go ahead and wait right here for right quick. Let's see. You gonna try to pull over that way?
Can you have him? Yeah, I'm gonna try and go that way.
That
So
way.
I can back down that
Okay.
way.
All right, I'm gonna have him pull out and I'm gonna pull forward and make sure you get over there to it.
Appreciate it.
Go ahead and ease on towards that end of that driveway. I'm gonna, hey Austin, pull my truck ahead. Just pull it ahead. You can either pull it ahead or back it right over there in that hole. Let's move it out of the driveway.
You can't just swing around. Because this is the whole opening.
Yeah, let's go all the way around and come back up right there. Yeah. I'm gonna watch on this post right here.
Yeah, he won't get stuck. That's all.
Oh yeah, that's gravel until he gets right there.
Yeah.
He's just nervous. That's my new truck. He don't want to mess it up.
Hey, I don't blame him. It's beautiful.
We're good. Good. Good deal. Phew. Yeah. All right. Well, I'm gonna get back on.
Thank you.
You have a good one.
I'm gonna try to.
Okay, everybody, we successfully got the driver out of the mud, and he is unloading. So we are heading back to our shop. Austin decided to ride back in the Pete with Mike, Dad. So I'm riding solo in the pickup. So thank you again for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope everybody's staying safe out there during this quarantine. Please be sure to like and leave us a comment. Tell us what you thought. And subscribe to our channel if you liked our video. Hit the notifications bell. And so you can be notified about more videos when they come up. And most importantly, God bless.